world of witchcraft, herbs are more than plants. They're power. They connect the witch to earth, spirit, and self. Used in rituals, spells, charms, teas, and smoke, herbs amplify intention and deepen intuition. Every witch from kitchen to hedge should know these 10. Not because someone said so, but because these herbs work, and they've worked for generations. Mugwort is the herb of dreams and the unseen. Mugwort opens the third eye, sharpens intuition, and is a powerful aid in astral travel, divination, and lucid dreaming. Burn before tarot readings. Sleep with it under your pillow. Let it guide you to what lies beyond. Rosemary is the workhorse of the craft. Rosemary is for protection, memory, and purification. Use it in place of almost any other herb. It's that versatile. Burn it to cleanse, infuse it in oil for anointing, or add it to bath water to wash away psychic gunk. Lavender brings peace, love, and healing. It soothes anxious minds and calms turbulent energy. Use it in spells for self-love, harmony, or restful sleep. A lavender sachet under your pillow isn't just sweet smelling, it's spiritual armor. Sage is used for purification and clarity. Garden sage is accessible and respectful to use, unlike over-harvested white sage. Burn it to clear space, add it to ritual bundles, or make a tea to support grounding before spell work. Yarrow is a warrior's herb. It protects and heals. Use it in wards, carry it for courage, or add it to spells that require emotional resilience. It's a guardian of boundaries, energetic and personal. This sunny little flower may look innocent, but it holds potent magic. Chamomile is used for peace, sleep, prosperity, and success. Drink it before meditation or add it to money-drawing charms. It teaches the power of quiet strength. Fresh, fragrant, and powerful. Basil attracts love, wealth, and good fortune. It's often used in kitchen witchcraft and can be grown easily at home. Drop it into floor washes or tuck leaves into your wallet for prosperity. Bay leaves are for vision and manifestation. Write a wish or intention on a leaf and burn it to send your desire to the universe. They're also protective, especially when burned or added to incense blends. This humble herb is deeply magical. Thyme is tied to courage, purification, and communication with spirits. Burn it to cleanse space, wear it for bravery, or use it in ancestral work. Thyme reminds witches to speak and act with intention. Too often dismissed as a weed, Dandelion is a wish granter and resilience teacher. It's used in divination, spirit communication, and transformation magic. Make a tea to connect with the other side, or blow on its puffball seeds while casting a spell. Each of these herbs carries its own spirit, but together they offer a full spectrum of power, from healing to hex breaking, love to protection, clarity to chaos navigation. A witch doesn't need to memorize every plant on earth, but knowing these 10 and knowing them well is enough to build spells that matter. The real magic isn't in the herb, it's in the relationship between the witch and the wild. These 10 are just the beginning. Thank you for watching, and please let us know which herb is your favorite ally.